9th standard science 1 chapter number 3 current electricity is the chapter number 3. Today we learn the chapter number 3 current electricity. Okay, let us start now the introduction of this chapter. Introduction of the chapter. In this lesson we will learn about potential and potential difference, conductors and insulators means bad conductor, electrical resistance and Ohm's law, connection of resistors and effective resistance. These are the most important points in this chapter. Okay. Next, the explanation. Look at the picture. Here is a picture. Two pictures are present in our mobile phone and video. Okay. This picture shows the one person use electricity and another picture shows the generate the electricity from the sun. This is a solar panel. Electricity is almost important in modern world. We depend on it for almost everything in our day-to-day life. Almost. This is the spelling mistakes here. This spelling substitute from this. Okay. Almost. Small child here to study hard, like you, using by electricity. Electricity is almost important in modern world. We depend on it for almost everything in our day-to-day life. This sentence is repeat me from me. Electricity is used for running electric furnaces, electric motors, and several other instruments used in industries. Domestic appliances like the fridge, electric oven, mixer, fans, washing machines cannot run without electricity. Okay? These appliances cannot run without electricity, we know that. Domestic appliances, fridge. The question asked in the exam, write down the 5 appliances in your house to run of electricity. Okay, then you write 5 appliances in your house to use electricity from that appliances. Not only human beings, but some animals to use electricity. For example, fishes such as eels use electricity to catch their prey and also for self-defense. This fish name is eels. Eels fish is generated to electricity and to use for the catch the prey and self defense. Okay, स्वतःच्या संरक्षणासाठी आणि भक्ष्य पकडण्यासाठी त्या विजेचा किंवा इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा वापर मासा करतो. इक्विपमेंट्स, पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स अँड पोटेन्शियल इक्विपमेंट. 2 bottle here, 2 plastic bottles, rubber tube, clamp and water here. Procedure. Set up the experiment as shown in the figure like this. Then remove the clamp from rubber tube. This clamp remove after set the experiment like this. Okay. Then clamp remove after some time. And observation. Observe it. The water flows from high level to the lower level. Water flows from high level to lower Just like water, the flow of electric charge between two points also happens. The water flow from high level to low level, that's like the electric current also flow from high level to low level. This is the high potential energy and this is the low potential energy. The flow of electric charge between two points depends on a kind of electric level at those points. This level is called electric potential. A positive charge flows from a point of a higher potential to a point of lower potential. Electrically flows due to the conduction of negatively charged electrons. Electricity flows due to the conduction of negatively charged electrons. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉनचे कंडक्शन म्हणजे वहन, इलेक्ट्रॉनचं वहन होते त्यावेळेस काय होते, ऋण चार्ज तयार होतो आणि ऋण चार्ज तयार झाला तरच इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचं किंवा विजेचं वहन होते. इलेक्ट्रॉनच्या वहनामुळेच विजेचे वहन होते. Electrons flow from the point of lower potential to a point of higher potential. This is not a correct word here. P is the extra here. A points of higher potential. Correction here, okay? P is not need here. A lightning strike is the flow of electrons from point of lower, it means negative, potential on the clouds. This is the picture of the lightning to the point. Okay, once again. Lightning strike. वीज चकपताना जमिनीवर किंवा झाडांवर पडताना दिसते because of higher and lower level of the electric current. The point of higher, that means zero potential on the earth, to the point of higher potential on the earth. The higher means in bracket 0. The difference between the values of potential is called the potential difference. This is the definition of potential difference. You can write in your notebook. Potential difference and flow of electricity. High electricity potential, low electricity potential. Conducting wire, positively charged conductor, negatively charged conductor. Stand with insulating covering, stand with insulating covering. In this figure, conductor A is at a higher potential than conductor B. Conductor A is the higher potential than conductor B. Okay, because this is the higher electric potential and this is the lower electric potential. When these two are connected by a conducting wire, this is the conducting wire connected by A and B, connecting by conducting wire. A potential difference is created between its two ends and electrons will flow from B to A through the wire. Okay, this is positive charge because there is not a electrons present, here is electrons present because electrons charge. We learn in previous standard, 8th standard, the electrons are the negative charge. When the negative charge flow from positive charge, then the electric current also flow. Electrons will flow from B to A through the wire and electric current will be flow. This flow will continue until the two conductors A and B have the same potential, that is until their potential difference becomes zero. जोपर्यंत त्यांच्यातील प्रभार झिरो होत नाही किंवा सारखा होत नाही तोपर्यंत इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाहतच राहते. आणि जर त्यांचा प्रभार सारखा झाला की काय होणार, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट वहन होणार नाही. दोघांचा प्रभार कसा असेल, सारखा होईल तोपर्यंत. Only then will the flow of electrons stop. ज्यावेळी इलेक्ट्रॉनचं वहन थांबेल त्यावेळेसच ते इलेक्ट्रिक करंट थांबणार आहे फ्लो व्हायचा. Work has to be done against the electric field to take a positive charge from a point of lower potential to point of higher potential. Potential difference of a cell. This is a one cell, this is a 4 cell 6 volt. Okay, 4 cell joint here and one cell here. The difference in the potential in the potential between the point positive and negative terminals of a cell is the potential difference of the cell. This is the positive and this is the negative charge. This how many difference in this both pole, that is called as potential difference of that end. Okay, this terminal is negative terminal, this terminal is positive terminal. How many difference in between them, that is the potential difference of that cell. This potential difference is caused by a chemical reaction occurring inside the cell. This potential difference is most important because the caused by the chemical reaction formed into the cell. Okay, through a conducting wire connected to the two ends of the cell. The amount of work done to carry a unit positive charge from point A to point B is called the electric potential difference between the 2 points. Potential difference between 2 points is equal to work upon total charge transferred. V is equal to W upon Q because the work is W and Q is the transfer charge. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. The unit of potential difference in SI system is volt. Because of the scientist Alessandro Volta constructed the first electric cell, the unit of potential difference is named volt in his honor. कारण पहिल्या विद्युत घटाचा शोध व्होल्टा या शास्त्रज्ञांनी लावला आणि म्हणून त्यांच्या सन्मानार्थ ऑनर मीन्स सन्मान, यांच्या सन्मानार्थ हे युनिट इलेक्ट्रिक करंटला देण्यात आलं. The scientist Alessandro, this is okay. This is the Alessandro Volta. Very small value of potential difference are expressed in the column units. 1 millivolt is equal to 10 raised to minus volt, 10 raised to minus 3 volt. 1 microvolt is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 volt. Large values of potential difference are expressed in the following units. 1 kilovolt is equal to 10 raised to 3 volt. 1 megavolt is equal to 10 raised to 6 volt. Very small values of potential difference are expressed in millivolt and microvolt. While large values are expressed in the units of kilovolt and megavolt, like this, kilovolt and megavolt. This is the mini values and this is the large values. Free electrons. Every atom of metallic conductor has one or more outermost electrons which are very weakly bound to the nucleus. Weakly bound to the nucleus. The one electron is very weakly bound to the nucleus because the one electrons transferred from another orbit. That's why this is the weakly bound in the to the nucleus. Direction of current, free electrons. Okay, because this electron is not very strongly bound to the nucleus because this electrons is very longest from the nucleus. These are called free electrons. Which electrons is very weakly bound? That electrons is called free electrons. Okay. Definition of free electrons is, what is the definition of free electrons? Which electrons is very weakly bound to the nucleus, that electrons are called free electrons. The electrons can easily move from one part of the conductor to its other parts. Because of that, electrons are free. The negative charge of the electrons also get transferred as a result of this motion. The free electrons in a conductor are the carriers of negative charge. The electrons, when the conductor are free, the electrons have negative charge. We know that in previous standard. Okay. The free electrons in a conductor are the carriers of negative charge. Today we stop here, and the next part of the chapter after this video, every sentence and diagrams you should draw in your notebook. Okay, till then, bye.